I got this package from TOMSIN. Let's open it. And this is some product to mod a PlayStation 5 controller. So this is a Hall effect stick, and let's see what's inside this box. And let's do this controller as a professional controller. Everything they have on the box, they have screwdriver, and this is all the part. Also they have a manual or guide if you like to make a scan and watch some videos. And this is Hall effect stick, so I will also try to install it. In the box also they have a thumbstick. I already opened the controller, so the first thing I will do I will change the old stick. And this is the old stick, let's change it to the new. So it's time to clean. Just see the quality, it looks like it's high quality. I finished the first step, let's go to second. The second thing, I need to install this mod chip. Let's solder this part. I solder all the cables and also this FPC ribbon cables. Two more screws, first one here, second one here. Both screws is return. And as you can see, after calibrate the stick, it looks like it's perfect. Both sticks have zero issues. So for sure I need to reprogram the buttons before it's working. So if you like to watch another video for how to reprogram this button, please let me know. Thank you for watching, and thank you for TOMSIN for all this part. See you next time.